Hey, there you are. Hey, no, I got that chuck with that 4140 in the older machine. And let's get you over where you can have a look at it, and we'll see some cutting action and maybe a little bit of difference between the newer machine and the older machine. But, let's find out. Okay, hang on. It's going to be a bumpy ride. Here we go. I'll get you over here. Try not to get you too jiggled up here. Oh, yeah, that's not bad, huh? Let's see if we can swing it. Something like that. And I don't think you're going to be in my way, though you're not in my way most of the time anyway, people. Let's see. Here we go. Something like that, huh? Maybe I'll move it a little closer. Tighten that thing. A little closer here. Yeah, I think that's okay. I think I can, I can do it. Okay, I'm going to start it up. Now, I'm a little far from the power supply, so sometimes it's a bumpy start. I'm going to bump it, then hit it. Look. There we go. Let's see. That's about 200 RPM. We get a little bit of this wax on there. Okay, I'm going to kick it up to 1200 like I did on the other machine. That's about it. We'll take two cuts like last time. I did a 30 and a 20. We'll do a 30. That's a 15,000 step. I'm gonna, let's see. I'm going to have to put it in high range. Hold on. There we go. And okay, there's that same feed of 6,000s. Let's see what happens here. Kind of funny how that cut different. I'm going to drop that feed down so you can shift this on the fly for feed like the CDE knob. I'm going to drop the feed down to 3. Running 1200, and I'm going to go on that 20, 10,000 deep. Now that's not too bad looking for a carbide insert. You see that smoke? It's smoking. That wax. Beeswax. Okay. I'm going to kick it off so you can hear me. And I'm going to run this carriage back. We'll try the same thing we did before. Hang on. Run the tool back. Now this time you get to sit on a dovetail Monarch 10EE cross light. Okay, are you there? What's that? I think that's okay. We're going to try it. Let's see what that gauge does. Let's get that gauge back on there and check that taper, okay? Let's get that on 0. Remember how it works. When it goes all the way clockwise, that's where it is. Okay. That looks pretty close to me. I'm not sure. Let me play with it. That's pretty close. Okay, let's move this back to the back here. And let's see how much taper we got this time. You see, that's even worse. That's for sure 3/1000ths taper. We got another 1/1000ths taper on this older machine. But one of the reasons is the spindle bearings aren't loaded as much as the newer machine. And the spindle bearings in here aren't quite the grade that the newer machine has either. But they're plenty good. But we got 3/1000ths taper, at least 2.5. It looks like 3 to me. Let's get it up front. Maybe I'm a little over there. I'm kind of looking over your shoulder now. Let's see. Okay, let's get her back. All the way back. You know, that is just about the same, isn't it? It's about 2/1000ths taper. You know, that's pretty darn good. Now, I'm going to start the machine up, and we'll put the finish tool in there. Okay. And we'll put you back up here. Get you back up here where you can see. Get that carriage out of here. Kind of a tight area here. Okay. Let's see. I think that's pretty good. Kind of got you scooted up. Okay, I'm going to start it up again. Got the finish tool here, that Micro 100 AR8 tool. And I added a little bit more radius on here. Okay, I'm firing it up. But this time I'm going to crank this thing up to full speed, which is 2500. Okay, here we go. That's this old machine running an open build. Isn't that sweet? Let's speed it up a little. Okay. Here we go. It's 2500 on this old machine. And it's pretty happy doing it, I think. Okay, I'm going to touch it off. Maybe I'll put a little ink on it if I can. Might be a little, hey! See what happens. It's about 2,000 step. 2,500 1,000 per rev feed, 2,000 step. Very good steel roller here. Listen for that dynamic brake. Oh yeah. Get that wax off there. You know, the finish is not bad. Boy, I got myself with that carbide tool. I said they cut to the bone, and they do. Okay. Yeah, you know, the finish isn't bad. And, but it's not near the finish that the newer machine has. So let's get you back on that. Oh my goodness, I think I've run out of time. Okay, we'll start another video.